How's it going? I finally got a new daily. What? This is future Caitlin. I never really gave you guys a tour of the car, so I'm gonna do that at the end of the video. Today we're giving the car a little bit of TLC. We're gonna do an oil change. I'm changing out the upstream O2 sensors, the valve cover gasket, and then we're just gonna clean the entire car. And then Colby is doing truck things. I'm just gonna start taking shit apart. I just unplugged, just disintegrated in my hand. I like torqued down the Thanos spec. So I finally got all that out, and I'm finally to the valve cover, but I just took the first one out. My spark plug tubes are flooded with oil. There's random wiring there. And I've taken out a couple of random plastic pieces that were just chilling in here. It is day 2 of working on this freaking car. Told Jay-Z is not being nice to me. So I cleaned up the valve covers, I replaced the gaskets. This one went on fine, but this one, it's almost like the gasket's too thick. These bolts do not want to bolt in at all. I'm gonna try putting some heat to the gasket and see if I can like mush it down a little more, but we're gonna fight with that a little more. We have to whip out Old Reliable with the helicoils because it looks like they weren't going in because the threads are completely messed up. So I've only inserted a helicoil once, and I'm just hoping that I put it on straight. Really trying to be fancy with the camera for you guys, but the battery keeps dying. I haven't cleaned in there yet, but we officially have threads. I just have to put one of the new helicoils in, but we should be good. All right, so I confirmed that all of these bolts will bolt in, except that back one. So I'm gonna have to get a little creative with that one. That is the only thing stopping me from getting the valve cover on, to putting everything back together. Granted, I still have to do spark plugs and a couple little things, but this is a new daily now, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. I was able to use this and just re-tap with the same size. Now it is time to put the valve cover back on. Hopefully this time all the bolts will do bolt things. Really don't know if it's just me, but anyways, I had to helicoil like 3 more of the holes on this one, and I was working on torquing down this side, I gotta do the same thing to the other side now. As you can tell, it is nighttime now, but valve covers are finally on. Now it's time to do spark plugs. This one hose in the back, I think it's a heater hose, is going to be the death of me. I am dead, but not defeated. Excuse me, little heater hose. Got all the spark plugs and wires in. I went ahead and just taped every hose and connector that I disconnected, because not gonna lie, I am freaking exhausted and I really don't want to forget one of these. So I just got done with the test drive and I'm really happy. She runs great. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to, but since she's my daily, I wanted her done for work tomorrow. I can't believe I have both of these cars. I've been wanting both of these cars since I was like 15, and the fact that I have both of them at the same time, pretty crazy. Fun fact, I almost got one of these as a drift car, but We are back to future / more present Kate now. I just got done washing the car and figured I would give you guys a little tour of it. This is my new 2003 Lexus IS300. I am so excited about this car. One thing that I was really excited about is the entire car is bone stock. I actually just put the clear lights in. It's been repainted, which I'm not complaining about because it looks good. It has little damages in the paint and like one foggy headlight compared to a clear headlight. But she looks good for what she is. Here's the back seats. As you can tell, it is pretty clean. Excuse the mess from the car wash stuff, but the front seats are pretty good. There's a little patch job on the driver's side, and this is ripping a little bit, but again, I'm not too worried about it. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is really nice. But yeah, overall, she is really clean. And that is the car. I really don't know what next video is going to be, but it's most likely going to be with the BMW, and you guys won't see a lot of the IS, just when I do little things here and there, because again, it's the daily. I'm glad it's running a lot better now, and I'm glad it's not leaking as much oil. It's still leaking a little bit of oil, it looks like, but I'll figure it out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm definitely going to laugh looking back and editing this video, so you guys are more than welcome to laugh at my pain. Leave a comment of what you guys think of the new daily. I'm gonna cruise home now, but I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.